Here we have an iPad 10.5 that came in for no backlight. You can see an image on the screen, but it's very, very dim. So you can see the Apple logo when you turn the tablet on, but the Apple logo is extremely dim. So we have a backlight issue. It looks like the customer tried to replace the screen and did not disconnect the battery. And as a result, something went wrong with the backlight circuit. I already removed the screen and I already removed the black shield that goes on top here. Let's take a look at the board to see if we see anything obvious. The first thing I want to do is take a look at the FEC connectors, make sure everything is good here. And I do not see anything obvious. The backlight is controlled by filters, diodes, coils. And look at this. Look at this diode. It's cracked. Look at this. So that's our problem. There's one more diode that should be under here. So we're gonna have to just bend this up and test to see if this diode is good. But this one is clearly cracked. And that's the second one right here. Let's test and make sure the second one is good. Meter in diode mode. And we get OL. Diode is not good. Diode is not good. And this one, we get OL as well. Let's go ahead and remove both diodes. I mean, no cracks or physical damage is obvious on this one here, but it doesn't mean that this diode is good. We are getting OL reading, which is not good. Let me quickly measure this diode again after we remove the cracked one. Diode is bad. Let's remove it as well. So we need to replace those diodes. Okay, and let's grab diodes from a donor board. Now I do not have a donor board for the iPad 10.5, but we're gonna grab the diodes from another iPad. Let's take a look at this board here. Right there. Okay, right there. So we have to flip it just like that. So that's one diode, and let's do the second one here. And where's the line? We need to locate the line on the diode. Okay, so the diode should go upwards. Just like that. And for this one, let's try to use our hot air. And the job's done. And if you look, I have the mask on because my mother came here and she said no soldering if you do not have a mask on. Even though I have the fume extractor, you have to listen to your mother. I'm done soldering, so I can remove this mask. And right now we're gonna put the screen back on and see if we have a backlight. The screen has 4 connectors, so we have to connect all 4 of them. Okay, so all 4 connectors are plugged in, and all we have to do is remove the separator that's disconnecting the battery from the motherboard. And is it gonna work? Yes, it's working. It's working. So right now it's 6:50. We close at 6. But I thought, why not do a couple of things on video before I go home? So what I did is I changed the digitizer connector on this tablet. Customer said he took this tablet to somebody else, and the tablet is not working. I did fix the digitizer connector, but it looks like there's something else wrong with this tablet. I'm gonna leave it until Monday. Tomorrow is Sunday, we're closed. And this tablet is working. Awesome. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll do something else in the next video. This is the Benz kit that we just got. And customer mailed in it doesn't say what's wrong with the key. Obviously the key is not working. Let's take a quick look at the motherboard. And it's dirty. Very, very dirty. Oh, look at this. We are missing a component here. Flip the board. Let's take a look at the coil and traces. Make sure everything is continuous and no breakage in the line. The coil, it looks good. Yeah, so the only thing that we are missing is this component here. Probably the customer was changing the battery and he just knocked off this component by mistake. Let me grab a salvaged board, a donor board, and take a look. This is the component that's missing right here. just add a tiny bit of solder. So I'm going to use a little bit of hot air. And let's go to the customer's board. Okay, and the job is done. Okay, great.